Sé Robert de Carsalach mish, Robert Cutting Carswell, as Bavaliam Shuish Altaga Gazetashbin Shaw. And I'd like to welcome you to this presentation. Anacht de Vekelchach de Raoil, Satel Delal no Emshirach. How to be successfully Celtic in the modern business world. Ach rosh me vis toiach courage emmer so, foddy de listen riddenach a grey mummerchans heen. But before I make a start, perhaps I ought to say something about myself. Mish Robert de Carsalach, Robert Cutting Carswell, RBV. Shen de grey rai bline van annen, ten ouders an over culturoil cochon traditionalian. The rai bline van annen is an award for cultural work associated with the island. Ta came Manchirach em on Studersen Vanning. I have a master's degree in Manx Studies. Sigilg tamir chlau erish liogaru, put de vaardach, arten son a pebren naiach, as kunt a gier jane gilg as sampleren trut de blinten. Tamir chlau kuste reinen sigilg, tergit de vei en oil de lorens recortusen jorish laelia, as tamir oil haaren ons kjoliach, as ons ginsige dansvanning, kam as klei ons ban kelirish kuste blinten. In the Manx language I've published a rough file magazine, some poetry, articles for the newspapers and an overview of the Manx language with examples through the years. I've also published songs in Manx, some of which have become quite popular in recordings by other people. And I've taken part in the music scene and taught Manx dancing as well as playing in a ceilidh band for a number of years. Fuddy de rau mi yn chydfeich de chaos na urgid chitstiach, wel, je sorchenjach, de reiltjach as yn gilg. As lord mechion shanachus a shanoliach vanning, as Miss Chepel Claren radio vanning reshiru de Vlinton. I was possibly the first person to obtain a regular income of some sort from the Manx language, and from talking about Manx folklore and history, and that's with presenting programmes on Manx radio for a number of years. Fuddy de Velshen sampler J.V. Kelchach de Raoil, ons een tail delal no Emshirach, Koyectafis. Perhaps that's an example of being successfully Celtic in the modern business world, who knows? Not to be son Gino sa tashman a shaw, Shen son Gin ernach Henkshin gus a stay tashinon nish, as ons acht een trere hit. What I'm for doing in this presentation, that's looking at the way we came to the situation we have now, and in a way at the future.
O van en weg wientons menachin.
O dear little Mannin, which is in the middle of the sea. As gin aurus beg the Lourdal and Vanning, ach mach a shen ta cared a sly fagen den a bowler lieton, as tiggle shen as Enyachten shen, yes. There's no doubt about it, the Isle of Man is quite small, but because of that people have a chance to see that it's a separate place and understand that and feel it as well. As to trimid je vei currit sen lorish en eg UNESCO a cledden alien mar biosphere. As mar tarag and shen golshach erach me an alien, come as alton island as cummer a chira. And weight is added to that by recognition by UNESCO of the whole island as a biosphere, and as can be seen, that includes the rich heritage of the island as well as beautiful parts and the landscape. Tashin fagen slissen na mare magitamun ach bulelle tud, haar and shen, me vishin gin, ma huigus nalben, ma jaskus of retin, a shirgus njerin. As chanod me Jerood Norther, den a sarsent and a lai shargin. We see seacoasts about us, but there are other places, across, even if we're looking northwards to Scotland, southwards to Wales, and westwards to Ireland. And we can't forget either that it's England lying to the east of us. Ta cumaheen alien ergit de ve iconach. The very shape of the island has become iconic. Tereltjes vanning ko trimmed lie ninedegge ons main elden en hier in Europa, de helden en goldach as njeren. As fagest in Europa, gaus de ginno a goed share de reiger kein delal. The Manx government puts particular emphasis on its position in the middle of the Western Isles of Europe, the British Isles and Ireland, and close to Europe, whilst it does its best to arrange business opportunities. As de trimmedair de ne bol and tawnas, cairn jay de hulliuhoch regedden on shore, chamas cairn mice on Delal. And there's emphasis on its being a beautiful place with opportunities of all sorts available here, as well as good opportunities for business.
My name is Michael Crowe. I'm Chief Executive of Isle of Man Finance. The economy of the island is quite diverse. We've got a strong financial services sector, but also there's quite a lot of other specialist sectors on the Isle of Man. We've got lots of manufacturing, the digital economy, e-gaming and the domestic economy. I'd say the Isle of Man is beautiful, rewarding and safe. This is quite a nice place for children as well. It's very safe. I think it's one of, if not the safest place in Europe, and that's quite important. I think from a parent's perspective, it's a great place to bring up a family. It's the only jurisdiction that's a UNESCO accredited biosphere, which is pretty amazing. And I think what that means is that we've got a great economy that's grown hand in hand with the environment, which just reinforces certainly what I believe, which is that this is just a great place to live and work. And it's got a great sense of community spirit, I think, as well. I've been involved in trade bodies and professional societies. I was the chair of the local Society of Chartered Accountants. I've also been the president of the local Chamber of Commerce. And now I'm CEO and head up the team working for financial services on the Isle of Man. So it's given me lots of opportunity and variety in my career as well. Best kept secret of the Isle of Man, I think, is the Isle of Man. The Isle of Man itself.
As the tale de Chiagnoliach ederinch no emshirach to Colchanlas egge rish arne bee and tale. And in the world of modern communications technology, it has connection with any part of the world. Maso she luchtdrele ellen vanning te goilarn se tale delal no emshirach. As Kuntas and Scalia, te reltjes vanning shire von deis on Pavel and Alien, lor a Shelley de shiga de wel bondel jeen, trut mach and Alien. So it's a jurisdiction, the Isle of Man, which participates in the modern business world. And on account of its scale, the Manx government is seeking an advantage in the modern world of technology for the people of the island by means of a project to ensure that there's broadband throughout the island. Tan stellisach vai jera giauri mlina, salja gemach lesh Pavel, kier fides queg tausen as der hid the lie, ta unhid as nanjeg tausen as she hid the gelven and shulach on. Statistics from January this year show, with a population of 85,200 people, there are 111,600 mobile phones. Ta tri feeders 3,000 as queg hid the lie, gino image jane etherlin. Ta tri feeders kerjeg pon queg percent jane fable. There are 63,500 people who make use of the internet, which is 74.5% of the population. Ta tri feed tausen the lie gimmerden the main and sheshoil, vis gino sus tri feeders jeg pon kier percent. 60,000 people use social media, which makes up 70.4%. Tan alien cochonl de mai hanna, as the shen bishicha. The island is already well connected, and that's increasing. Ma so ta slai coren manning mar bol de chor ken mai rahai delal. So people recognise Manning as a place that gives good opportunities for business.
My name's Stuart Foster and I'm currently working in a couple of roles. One working for a sugar-free wine company as financial controller and another working in a consultancy capacity for an investment company. There is a wide range of industries here and there's lots of opportunities to work globally as well from the Isle of Man. The connections that the businesses here have give you opportunities in a wide variety of places and a wide variety of industries. So it's introduced me to lots of different people, lots of different industries, lots of different ideas that I wouldn't necessarily have had if I hadn't come to a place that's so outward looking as the Isle of Man. I'd recommend it for the quality of life above everything else, but also for the opportunities that I believe there are here for people, especially in accountancy and in finance, because the range of opportunities is quite amazing for such a small place. You know, you can live very comfortably here, close to where you work. You can work from home. You can travel the world. You can kind of pick and choose what you want to do, and it does present lots of opportunities.
Te rag and Dominic Nies de wel slai gurish Stuart Foster chit stiachs in Hellion as ta Jean de gedden macht tulju, goil stiach machon en chinja, as dan a peitje nog Dominic masten a vier smooth Jean de insigis a skol. It's often to be seen as well that people like Stuart Foster coming into the island, they're keen to discover more, including about the language, and their children are often amongst the most enthusiastic to learn it in school. As de shen corlession gosaren jane chushaw and Celtichus. And that brings us to a part of this topic, Celticness. Jane saw, Jewish as the Fisjau Island Vanning, fully the Welsh Usmunion the Valley Cuid and Chushaw, fagen and eracht na Wigany, ta Cronkillion as Tinvel. Looking at this, you who have some knowledge of the Isle of Man, perhaps you're thinking that it's not appropriate to this subject, seeing that the hill and Tynwald itself are a Viking heritage. As a Kionelia a Bollach Koshiach ta Kiel, a shen gull er sture eg Aglish Harsen, Ni aide wel de skiljigen as Keltine Nelje, de mennik kazerikich, ons enem nu as Njeren, as Fennig as Nalben. And at the other end of the processional way is a church, which is run by the Church of England, although the parishes and other churches are often dedicated in the name of a saint from Ireland and one or two from Scotland. Ach, de chroggel le chiel shaw, renna dimmed je clach vai barul, as on shen, ta doen traditionach and g moor kelchach manenan. But to build this church, they made use of stone from Barul, and it's there that's the traditional stronghold of the great Celtic god Manannán. On Sean's Ballycillion, tan Charmainus fon spare goller cummel Sean Lyle main sauri, and huego la Jerasauri, la lie cochonald rish Manannán. The jaider en aglish a goed share, de gauw trimmed nu Ian bastion la shen, as tushin and shaw ons Ballycillion. Here in St. John's, the open-air ceremony is held on the old-style Midsummer's Day, the 5th of July, a special day associated with Manannán, although the church did its best to throw the emphasis onto St. John the Baptist on that day, and here we are in St. John's. Sean Lal main sauri, Latin val, tan bollach koshiach shaw as ler a heel ler in scalia harish rish leger, kish le noil na mail va ikit gus Manannán. On the old-style Midsummer's Day, Tynwald Day, this processional way and the floor of the church are strewn with rushes, the annual tribute or rent that was paid to Manannán. She bolfis gan shoile den ashun, as chynyristun deraw cynnach den kagi ashunach trogit on shaw lug chid chagen tail, as tein a chiadul yorish a bollach koshiach. Ach, podi de wel shen coriandus sly. This is a very important place to the nation, and it's no surprise that a National War Memorial was built here after the First World War, and it stands alongside the processional way. But perhaps it surprises people. Van kunjach den kagi kiadetjek PMC Kermode, verstuurde taitasti vanning, as ren klauw jor jane studereseg klachen Greenwich der ageden ons manning. The War Memorial was designed by PMC Kermode, who was director of the Manx Museum and who published a book of his studies of carved stones that are found in Man. Ta cumachan rahagen croshen Greenwich in Alien wat rahagen a chunjach den kagi shaw. Ach, genel crosher bin na maastok sa chumma shaw, je chrash jernach. Sampler nou jurkete jane geltjiges reinich, as ons bol gescan shoil, yes. There are patterns seen on the island's carved stones like those to be seen on this war memorial, but there's not a cross amongst them in this design of an Irish high cross, an unexpected example of shared Celticness, and in such an important place as well. Virginia Fivur eg croshen Greenwich vanning Archibald Knox, as va koers vrij oil eder a schoenach egge lesh cummachan son Liberty Lunning, site a fis egge cummachan croshen vannin. As ten a cummachan egge force en oil as ta ginusus undin son prowls and nogus a lead ton Jew. The Manx carved crosses also had a big influence on Archibald Knox, who had a successful international career with designs for Liberty of London based on his knowledge of the Manx crosses, and his designs are still popular and the basis for new experimentation to this day. Riddenach Elia terjit de vei firenoil siling shaw shen brek vannin. Van brek kiadich mus you ein naichi jeg queg jegas died, eg Paddy McQuaid, as ish na Ben Albonach va cummel on shaws and alien. Something else that's become very popular these days, that's Manx tartan. The tartan was designed about 1955 by Paddy McQuaid, a lady from Scotland who lived here in the island. Tan brek reil yazit nyerishen yorish muljan olla laxa. Te ragen de menicus, ta custagenia kiau fili beg jintas brek banning, the fusa. It's been adapted since then by Laxey woolen mills. It's often to be seen, and some men wear a kilt made of Manx tartan to get married. Gerdewelier jit de caura ledger ranning, henke stiach mod yisach by Nalben. Although it's become a strong symbol of Manning, it came in, so to speak, borrowed from Scotland. Ten Gerris feed Chitrachelion Shaw Merishin Groensel Sladesach, de Bonnedach Curlederen de Charen Vanning. Ons leigen magere reach Vanning is na Hellinen, van Gerris feed Goistjach Haag Altenen J. Allinen hier Nalben. The 24, the Keys, meet here together with the Legislative Council, originally advisers to the Lord of Man. In early days of the Kingdom of Man and the Isles, the Keys included 8 members from the Western Isles of Scotland. As erachrank ten chweil courage for Hera sa gilg, as ten a lion na liaimach sa gilg, chamas sa whirl. Man a wel shaw jint, yenach a cladus tujum gin brie. And on the hill the court is fenced, brought to order, in the Manx Gaelic, and the laws are read out in Manx Gaelic as well as in English. If this isn't done, the legislation would fall and be of no effect.
Tommy Corrin Whale Shaw for Hera, Olsenim Charn Vannin. Nach Jin Percheby, Troja, Bagot, na Jinno Boranis a Bee. As the Jin de Holiofech, Freget Trevisse Erneim. Tommy Corrin Cortus Ernenis Shaw, the Velen Whale Shaw for Hera. Tommy Corrin Cortus Ernenis Shaw, the Velen Whale Shaw for Hera. Tommy Corrin Cortus Cleden Enis Shaw, the Well and Whale Shaw Nisjach for Hera.
Legislative Council Elections Act 2017, which makes further provision about elections to the Legislative Council.
Slatus Reason a Kunsel Slatisak, feed he the Shachjag, Takarel the soldier, Mikon Ryerson a Kunsel Slatisak.
Unless yon yes to slike jou lus senmesich bollen ben, lus finjartele and shanachis vanning. On this day as well, people wear a herb called the bollen ben. It's a very powerful herb in Manx folklore. As skin de cholurid, tan bradach jurgus tri cadden vanning on, genusus caura ledger, jen shan ruriach shaw. And above everything, the red flag with the 3 legs of man presents a powerful symbol of this ancient kingdom. Masort and gilg, shanachis vanning scan shoiled and charmain a shaw, ach, fiet lesh erach elia. So the Manx language and Manx folklore is important in this ceremony, but interwoven with other heritage. Chow-elia and red sulying shaw ta caurachan ledger elia ragen. Shaw kion cheru culture vanning. Ta cor a hojach and chinya and shanachas, a shanoliach, as the chuljuchush colchanal trishanelin, trud chagnoliach no emshirach, ta grisach a sly as coraru goil tasta. On the other side of the road these days there are other strong symbols visible. This is the headquarters of Culture Vannin, which promotes the language, the folklore, the history, and every facet associated with the island through modern technology, which excites people and makes them take notice. As far as the Culture Vannin, Shach and Bunskal Gilgach, Angie Shane Gil de Guller Lord, as ball ta pechen eder queg blina deis, as unlein jeg deis, ginsach at the chuljuchush trud in the gilg. And close to Culture Vanning, this is the Bunskal Gilgach, in which is the Manx Gaelic which is spoken, and where children between 5 years of age and 11 years of age learn every subject through the Manx Gaelic. Maso kirit tashin de grey on shore, so what are we saying here? Tashin grey, de wel pert igoil egen gilg ten a chinja geltjach ons chino slatters. We're saying that the Manx Gaelic, which is a Celtic language, has an official role in the making of legislation. Terwijl the Ginusus Arn Jane Charmenus treedt het trimmet courage terwijl reltjes heen egen ashun shaw. That it forms part of the ceremony which emphasises that this nation has its own government. Terwijl is scan shoil, saltige maar korchanles rishen G moer keltjach mannen as rishanniges keltjach wanning through the wallen wijn te guller cow. that it's important to demonstrate a connection with the great Celtic god Manannán, and with Manx Celtic folk tradition through the bollen bairn which is worn. As the wel tri cathon vanning genussus cowra ledger scanshoil, and that the 3 legs of man are a powerful and important symbol. Ta sin greu de wel culture vanning as an vonsgal gilgach, co trimid a gilg, de wel a co trimid shanoliach a shanachas vanning, as sanach och heen, de wel a ginu image a chagnoliach a sesen no emshirach, de chor a hojach a cledden culture shaw. We're saying that culture vanning and the Bunskal Gilgach put emphasis on the Manx Gaelic, that they emphasise the history and folklore of man, and, in their own way, that they make use of modern technology and methods to promote this whole culture. Ach benten rish manning ta ben an elia rein a chrúd, tad castjes fiet rechelia. But in respect of Mannin, at least, other influences run through it, there twisted and interwoven. As ligden goirish nish, ma vishu golmaak on stredgen en alien, genein gilgt en chinjachagen ons bele tier, ach, a verl. And let's admit it now, if you go out into the island streets, it's not the Manx Gaelic that's the common tongue in the people's mouths, but the English language. Geralsjen de greine wel een gilg ragen ons en stredgen, as cús de chummach en keltjach nies. Ta lucht an rail in a doil, as lie railjes vanning heen, ginu image een gilg ons na cowrachanok. That's not to say that the Manx language isn't to be seen in the streets, and some Celtic patterns as well. Local authorities, and particularly the Isle of Man government, make use of the Manx language in their signs. Te ragen nis na barúsan saling shaw. Scronole gain a wel een gilg ons bele tier de cajin, de veli genusús nish cowran yartle, de chor trimid de wel shaw na wall lie. It's also to be seen on the buses these days. It's obvious, although the Manx language isn't usually in people's mouths, that it now provides a powerful symbol to emphasise that this is a separate place. De sly gula de wel keer percentje cumna chira cúnta an Erinus. Ach, ta dália don, te smú castelach de Erinach an shaw. As geen elmar a de visjacha troren vanning de week o hiradach, nai gawltus en smoes er reach doen einisit nons njeren. Eer treedt a troren vanning rai oil ons kochirige nedere schoenach. People estimate that 80% of the landscape is because of farming. But there's a difficulty. It's more expensive to farm here, and there's not much opportunity to increase Manx output to be competitive with larger farms in the United Kingdom or in Ireland, even when Manx produce is successful in international competition. Masaw signed a troren vanning, kleine enne orusen ons merge stai, nai troren te gullergedden de slu castelach ons boelelje, a short a ginu, les cowrichen de salge gemacht de bachtel de nei troren vanning toon. And so Manx produce has to draw recognition to itself in an internal market against produce that can be produced less expensively elsewhere. And they do this with symbols that demonstrate clearly that this is Manx produce.
We live in a world where people are increasingly demanding local produce that supports the community. Every £1 spent locally on Manx food is worth £1.83 to the Manx economy and respects the environment. Low on food mile while high on quality, health and animal welfare. Manx Meats ticks all of these boxes and more. Isle of Man Meats is proud to offer the finest beef, lamb and pork, working closely with over 220 farm-assured, multi-generational Manx farms all over the island to building quality from pasture to plate. All of our meat guarantees traceability back to the farm it was reared. In other words, you can rest assured that it's come from lush green pastures of the Isle of Man, the only entire nation to enjoy UNESCO World Biosphere status. It's increasingly recognised that happy animals mean better meat. That's why, after a short, stress-free journey to Isle of Man Meats, we follow the highest welfare standards, with several trained animal welfare officers on the team, and regular inspections by respected industry bodies. Each carcass is then made into lots of different cuts of meat and delivered to island butchers and retailers, providing delicious, high-end quality cuts of meat for all to enjoy. We believe that local is the future, and together we're pulling out all the stops to bring you the finest beef, lamb and pork you'd find anywhere.
Today en mer end en a manany na bech bachtel de sly aspulelle. There are two names which are recognised by the Manx that wouldn't be obvious to people from elsewhere. Hoshach, Balacushig. Shen gurish nen mun imedi Galderson begiet den alien. Balla riddenach. Ach, kremach jo na chushag. Blei a siúnach wanning rare purtelai. Dinna wisten clen skiel ta eneg slide and rid mananach ta Balacushig. First, Balacushig. That's like the names of many farms round the island, Bala something, but what about the Cushig? The Manx national flower, according to some people. Without dwelling on the whole story, people recognise that it's something Manx, Balacushig. As Balafletcher, Shan enam gawltas ve de fear. Maso rish tad jerkel rish cumulti vanning tiggled and enam as cochanless rishanalian, eer manane bachtel shen gesly aspulelle. And Balafletcher, it's in fact an old farm name. So again they expect Manx residents to understand that it's a name with a connection to the island, even if it's not that obvious to people from elsewhere. As to Ceylan Ellen Vanning, chaus ta cornenne mockons cowrachen moeras a burl, ta jinnuimid Jane Gilg Erevanioch. And Isle of Man creameries, whilst they put the name in large signs in English, they make use of the Manx language on their milk. As de vogelnig Jane Gilgra clashen dag lei, ma Arn Cajun Claren Radio Vanning, de chor trimidair de wel manin, na wal lie. Chamas Claren as Nian Elias a Gilg in a degger. And some words in Manx are to be heard every day as an ordinary part of Manx Radio's programmes, to emphasise that Mannin is a separate place, as well as programmes and other items in the Manx language on the website.
We're online, we're on smartphone app, smart speaker, FM and AM from Douglas in the Isle of Man. Shaw Radio Vannin. This is Manx Radio. 5 o'clock and time for the latest news now with Alex Watton. Fast am I, Alex?
Fast am I.
Radio Vannin. Radio Vannin. Badion Savion the Balacope.
Gilg Jew, Gilg J as Gilg Erich.
My Lampshiwish Altacher gus a Clare Shaw, Clarenegale. My name is Robert Catine Carswell, Robert a Carslach.
Have I heard tell of old Bobby Bob?
This programme is called Clarenegale, and in it you'll hear something of a Gilg, the Manx Gaelic, Chinnionamera, the mother tongue of Ellen Vanning, the Isle of Man. As Banachnan Jurish. Tashu geisjach rish Radio Vanning, Stasiun and Ashun, Krila Washdulish, Ellen Vanning. Les kiel ledger Jen Vol erlie as Jen Woodius erlie, genei gon follem uit de wel sly genacht en de Feeren Shaw, de Welsh olju en Shaw Kujach. As les enne maar bol te tanachten na jadu, kreier wie was tachert, te simfie woerek Pavel en Alien ernengushen heen. With a strong sense of a place apart and of a community apart, they aren't empty words that people here feel truly that we're all in this together. And with a strong identity as a place that stays standing, whatever happens, the people of the island very much take interest in their own affairs. Shen de Grey, den e Milesh Cumulty Vanning, Skeet. That's to say that Manx residents like the skeet, the newses, the chit-chat. The Radio Vanning fair J 3 stationen radios en Elien, as fair Elia linje inrichen. Manx Radio is one of 3 radio stations in the island, and another online only. As the 3 pebren naach schacht en oilon, Dejau wiskuller krek, as fair Elia nasty de kroch saishinen. And there are 3 weekly newspapers, 2 of them which are sold and another free, which relies on advertising. Rich na jij de wel het scroet ons letter en slew, te enmen na peberen naach regedden se gilg, gamme se veul, en gilg mor cowre rich. Again, although they're written in smaller letters, the names of the newspapers are to be found in the Manx language as well as the English, the Manx language as a symbol again. For the novel and Simshen Raag and Huish ons en statusach benten rish YouTube, master na 3 feed as jai ponkier percent jane forward to gimmerden a main and shesh oil, les shirra kerchonald rishanelian na halje gemach ons jerk. Perhaps that interest isn't so much to be seen in the statistics relevant to YouTube, amongst the 70.4% of the population that uses social media, with searches associated with the island indicated in red. Ach, spachtelei tret out gene Google, but it's obvious when you look at Google. Maso shen stayed tashinon siling shaw. Ta manin the wall ta kerchonald fine the crunye, ma arn gin tail delal no emshirach. Ta kiel ledger the wall as the voodies on shaw, as reine trud ta enna ledger more ashun kelchach. So that's the situation these days. Manin is a place connected throughout the globe as a part of the modern business world. There's a strong sense of place and of community here, and running through it is a strong identity as a Celtic nation. Tan reiltjes correra hojach en enna shen, as te glacke e mor vondeish. Ta kolochten jinnawimid J. Enman as Cowrachen, gorish na 3 cadden as cumma en alien heen, as na keerten fogel na gijs a gilg, de jaren sim moru heen. The government promotes that identity and embraces it as an advantage. Companies use names and symbols like the 3 legs and the shape of the island itself, and sometimes a few words in the Manx language, to draw attention to themselves. As de fwirren en de kolochten shaw kummel ons cheer as ten gilgrahagen ons enmen boel, te cowrachen e goil te goilstjach en gilg, as kummachen keltjach, te enmen gilgrahagen ner tyen. Ta kiel ledger de ne boler ye ta manim, as de wel een geltjiges ginusu sarens kan choil jen en a shen. And the staffs of these companies live in a country where the Manx language is to be seen in place names. There are official signs which include the Gilg and Celtic patterns. Manx names are to be seen on houses. There's a strong sense that Manin is a place apart, and that Celticness makes up an important part of that identity. As the cultivanin kuna lesh iron the Yinawimid Jane Gilg as Arnanelia J. Erachanalian, as the Gulstjach ons Poolovri as Ginsachen Gil de Alton and a Wirren. And cultivanin helps with ideas to make use of the Manx language and other parts of the island's heritage, and they go into workplaces and teach Manx to members of staff. Ten Gil bachtel de loer, te shartans de lai goil ons loud chorera hosjachi, te put de lai lorty de chulju lei, as the mast oxen sly egge ons shawse ons gol gilgach. The Manx language is pretty evident. Certain people are actively involved in promoting it. There are some people who speak it every day, and amongst those, young people here in the Bunskol Gilgach.
Friend ennym tot?
Maeve.
Maeve. As great come Maeve.
Pert na hinge.
Mario. As fel cwmwl as pert na hinge? Hanel. So great cwmwl? As Mario trwm ze? Ja, te fi fai rwm ze net fel. As fel brerach yn y siwrach yn ed? Fel brerach yn y siwrach yn ed?
O, ta bre, as ta lie bre.
Mario, fi fai. As fel adeg y fwnsgol?
Wel, ta yn lie bre, gen job nish.
Mario.
As ta yn bre, Elia ont my bar.
So say the Bunskol. Nish fel brerach yn y siwrach yn ed?
Ta ti'n sgedyn unbreras unsure.
Unbre as siwr fi fai. As fel adeg y fwnsgol?
Around the bre after the sure.
Yeah, fi fai.
As ma saw fuddy sa trere hit, be cared a man and a jäger correr bun tyen delal, can I gin a women jen gilgons pert, ach delal truden gilg. And so perhaps in the future there'll be an opportunity for young Manx people to establish businesses which don't only make use of the Manx language in part, but which conduct business through the Manx language. as my sort and Bunscol Gilgach Choleshin back as Ballycillion. Ligt an Jean Nerla tin vel the row. And so the Bunscol Gilgach has brought us back to St. John's. Let's look at one Tynwald Day. Ren Matilda as Frank Jane Bunscol Golmagit the Lautrish Sly is the Fishag Jane Lay. Matilda and Frank of the Bunscol went round to talk to people and make a video of the day. Namaste imidi Sly Elia Renard Lautrish and Danny in Shaw. Scummen at the grey and Shaw the heilse gemaakt terwijl na Sly Ege Shaw fleoil se gilg, les Shawshin no emshirach onji, as sledden egnin esh. Amongst many others they spoke with these two girls. It's not important what they say here, this is to show how these young people are naturally fluent in Manx, with modern affectations, and completely at their ease.
As a Crayhill Yellowtoe, a vegans Gilgluka,
Magic Quag Blades,
Renu Golgus of Bunscol Gilgach,
Bamish Golgus of Bunscol Gilgach, was Blaine Geese.
As Curtin put Shirley at McCowan Lertonville,
Tan put Shirley at Lertonville, Tynwald Fair second Gerard Jane Lair, first Ram Cure, as Tam Smiley down the Magate, Leshma Cara Josephine.
Curtin put Shirley at McCowan Lertonville.
Smiley and Kaylee Ekajarin, yes, Aaron Devel Ramsay just down in as Henel like Burrican and Henel gosh, oh, Curtin Jinu, Lucy Gresham, they just like, oh, and they just able to do where to be Targaryen, so just like mine.
Value Kionica Varine, Vosha Vunscol, Nadine.
Hanel,
just about
Tashin, yeah, Tashin Girijan like Nish.
Son, Bridget Truster.
Tashin Sanjay Ram Sugar. Aaron Devel Sugar down like a Jarrett.
Tashin Golden, you can begin, Downler, Golden Bread, Kionica Varine,
Gee, Sugar.
Value Golden, Gold, Shiskasa, and Viking Village Jewellery.
I am so row pie content Emma at Josephine, yes.
Oh, tear.
Tamish
Scary B.
Tamish Scary Gold Down.
The Shenna's Ski Ram. Velu Tannic things on a Clen Rud.
Tear.
Velu Golda you can have benights to Kizik on Bard Corner. Eka Vunscol, Ginu Nadenin.
Oh, tear. Velu my did you
As Macha Shaw fuddy the name Monae, the heilse gemaakt de jig manning de way Kelchach eer na smoore oils the tail delal no emshirach regiet. And from this perhaps it's a portent to show that Manning will become even more successfully Celtic in the modern business world to come. Ach, Crenach Elia fodum Corcion an Tashbin Shaw, ach lesh fishag de heilse gemaakt riddenach Machion and Elian. Kunta began bleiderach as Rai Harish fuddy, ach smiley am a smuniach. And how else can I close this presentation but with a video that shows off something about the island? A bit of a gushing commentary and over the top perhaps, but I like the sentiment. Good am I Muyo. Thanks very much.
Imagine a place shrouded by mystery, a sea-bound kingdom with its own captivating story to tell. A rich history that echoes through the ages. From the cries of the raven came the raiding hordes of Vikings, followed by raiders of a new kind, each leaving a legacy forever woven in the fabric of our folklore, driven by the independent spirit of our islanders and a lore that still lies on a hillside. A melting pot of character and taste where you can enjoy royalty in sublime surroundings, where true heroes exist who ride and rise on mechanical beasts, mystical creatures wander at will, and sea monsters bask in the shallows. A snow-capped mountain and magical vistas of the Seven Kingdoms. A land of giants, tall tales and no tales. Enchanted forests where fairies take flight, and a bridge that brings you luck. Landscapes carved from pure imagination and the majesty of Mother Nature herself. Culture forged from its own tongue and song. A world of tangled trees and twisted trails, with endless walks that take you by the way of the gull. Standing at the edge of it all, a place that reminds you how life should be, where legends are Manx made. Isle of Man, the extraordinary story.